Curious how much you will earn per hardcover sale on Amazon KDP? Here's exactly where to check your royalty breakdown. On your KDP bookshelf, hover over the three dots next to your hardcover draft and click Edit Hardcover Rights and Pricing. Or, if you are currently in the middle of setup, like after finishing the details and content sections, you are probably already on the rights and pricing page. Just scroll down to the pricing section. Here's what mine shows. So I set my list price to $18 on Amazon.com, and with a printing cost of $6.97 and a 60% royalty rate, I earn $3.83 per sale. Just a quick tip, hardcover printing is more expensive, but setting a higher price helps cover the cost and keep your royalties healthy. If you're still working on your interior cover, I will drop the tool I use down below. It makes formatting way easier. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre-made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I've linked it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.